Jealousy can be a powerful tool if you want to stir up emotions and make someone feel a stronger sense of attachment. The trick is to make them feel like they could lose you to someone else, or that you have options that they don't. Here's how to make someone jealous. Step 1. Subtly highlight other people's interest in you. One of the most straightforward ways to provoke jealousy is by subtly highlighting that other people are attracted to you. Mention how someone gave you a compliment, ask for advice from someone else, or talk about how much fun you had hanging out with a friend or colleague. When someone sees that you are in demand or that others are interested in you, it naturally triggers feelings of competition and jealousy. Step 2. Be confident and independent. Jealousy often arises when someone feels they may lose you. By exuding confidence and showing that you are independent, meaning that you don't rely on them for your happiness or validation, you make them question if they are the only person in your life. The fear of loss can create jealousy, as they will wonder if they are truly your top priority. Step 3. Limit your availability. When you are always available, there's no mystery, and the other person might start to take you for granted. However, if you limit your availability and keep them guessing about when they can see you, they may feel insecure and start to worry about losing you. This fear of loss often translates into jealousy. By subtly highlighting other people's interest, showing confidence and independence, and limiting your availability, you can easily make someone feel jealous. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.